Welcome everyone. You're watching our special India's Test Down Under. I'm Shivani Gupta. Joining us, former India captain Sourav Ganguly. We'll of course talk to Sourav about not just the performance on day 4, but also what we can look forward to on day 5 as well. Sourav, thanks a lot for joining us. But before we talk to Sourav, let's take a look at how action panned out on day 4. Australia have taken a 363-run lead over India in Adelaide at stumps on day 4. The hosts are at 290 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. The day saw a number of verbal duels between players from both sides, but will be remembered for Warner's second century in the match. Let's go across to Sourav Ganguly now. Sourav, it seems we're back to square one, isn't it? Our backs against the wall in a test match in Australia. No matter how well we batted, on day 5 we are still in a fight to save the test match, isn't it?
Yes, we are in a fight to save the test match, but I don't think it's a very uphill task. It will be difficult, there's no doubt, batting 4th on this pitch, but a lot of teams get into these situations in test cricket and they battle it out. India has been in this situation in the past. When I was captain, we've been through such situations where we battled out the last day. At times we won, at times we saved test match. So India will have to guts it out. It's not going to be easy in Australia for sure. There are 3 more test matches to go and it's not going to be easy either. I thought they batted very well in the first innings and hopefully they can put up a few good partnerships and get through the 4th day. Yes, there's still 98 overs to be bowled, which is a lot of overs. It's a wearing pitch, the ball's turning, bouncing, the fast bowlers will come at you. Yeah. So it's difficult, but it's not impossible.
Let's talk about David Warner. I mean, joining the list of elite cricketers who've scored a century in each innings of a test match once again. I mean, his tribute to Phil Hughes is going great, isn't it? He, of course, dedicates this innings to his later partner. What a brilliant innings once again by him.
Amazing. It was a tough wicket. You saw everyone else struggled other than Warner and Mitchell Marsh, who I thought played exceptionally well at the end, and that's what it is. He's going through a phase of his career where he's playing superbly in all formats of the game, and just the way he plays, he sets up games for Australia, and he set the game up today as well, because if he wouldn't have got that 100, Australia would not have scored at such a fast pace. And I think it's great to watch his transformation from a one-day cricketer to a test cricketer, and it's good to see that young players getting through the ranks and becoming terrific players.
Absolutely. David Warner, Steve Smith, both in that mold. But what is it about Indian batting and off-spin, Dada? If it was Moeen Ali in England, it's Nathan Lyon in Australia. Once again, an off-spinner, unsuspecting bowlers trumping the Indian batting lineup.
Yeah, I think Nathan Lyon is a better bowler than Moeen Ali. I thought he bowled exceptionally well this test match. He bowled better than our spinners. He got more bounce, more turn, and he will get the same amount of bounce and turn tomorrow as well. It's just that we haven't played him well. It's just that he's also bowled a lot of overs and he's picked wickets, but he'll be a threat tomorrow as well. So India will have to play him properly. But I think there is enough help in the pitch for him to create problems for Indian batsmen.
How would you compare Lyon and our very own Karun Sharma? I mean, Karun Sharma, the pick of the Indian bowlers. How would you compare the two and the way they performed?
I thought Nathan Lyon bowled a lot better than Karun Sharma, but obviously it's Karun Sharma's first test match. He will learn. He will get better. He needs a bit more revolution on the ball to be a very effective test bowler. Maybe he's in Australia, can speak to someone like Shane Warne, who's around, who's commentating for Channel 9, and work with his leg spin, because he's got to get better, because there was enough help for him on this pitch, and I thought he should have bowled a lot better than what he did. But obviously you have to give him a bit time because he's young and it's his first test match.
Right, let's talk about a few heated arguments we saw on the field today, Sourav. You know, what we expect from an India and Australia match. In a way, the real test match has started just now. I mean, this is what we expect from a duel between India and Australia. David Warner, Steve Smith, Rohit Sharma, Varun Aaron, all in the mix on day 4.
Yeah, I completely agree with you, Shivani. It was tough cricket today, and that's what you normally see in an India-Australia Test series. But it's all a part of sport. They are recovering from the shock of Phil Hughes, and I can bet you by the time Brisbane happens, by the time the toss happens at Brisbane, it's going to be Test cricket at its very best, because it's two very good sides playing against each other, and we will see what we want to see in Test cricket, which is fight on the field.
All right, on that note, Sourav Ganguly, former India captain, thanks a lot for joining us.